Alright, so I'll take you guys down here. This video is about installing the transmission cable to the transmission. Here's the cable. I don't know if you can see, yeah, right there. I'm just gonna do this one-handed. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. So here's the cable. It goes in. Okay, the key here is this nut, and there's that bracket retainer. That retainer just holds the nut in place. So that this bracket right here, it won't come out. So make sure this is on park right now. Obviously, make sure the hole is facing down, pointing down. It goes in like that. Oh man, this is gonna be tough with one hand. Alright, different position. There you go. Oh my god. Blocking the light, blocking the camera. What's gonna be? Okay. I need two hands on this then. Ah, shoot. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, and then I'm gonna slide this bracket in. And then I'm gonna put the nut. Where's the nut? Where's the nut? So I got the bracket in, and then where's the nut? Put the nut. Alright, can't see when my hands come out like that. There you go. Put the nut. The hole has to be, you have to see the hole so that this bolt will go in. A little bit more. There you go. You have to see the hole so that this bolt will go in. With one-handed, it's pretty tough. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down again. Okay, come on. Get in there. Get in there. No. Alright, here we go. I think that's good now. Hand tight. Alright guys. Sorry about that. It's hard with one hand. So it's hand tight in there. Make sure that that retainer, this tabs, is on the driver's side. Okay. 10 mil. Okay, so just use 10 mil on this, and then there's tabs right here. There's tabs on the back. You just bend it facing to the ground so that this bolts won't spin out for obvious reason. This thing right here, just bend it back, and then here's the housing to cover everything up. Which way is this facing? Like that. There you go. Feels like that. There's 2 bolts. Goes back here. Which way is this thing go? 2 bolts to the bracket here, and then 2 bolts or 3 bolts that bolt this aluminum housing to the transmission. That's it. I'm gonna just tighten all this thing down, and that's how you install this bracket. The main thing is this bolts, this retainer. Alright.